even though we have technology or not, we are going to feel alone at some point of time in our life. So the real question should be, does technology make us lonely, not alone? So now I would like to start my
Mm-hmm.
speech. It is not technology that is making us feel alone. It is ourselves that make us feel alone. Technology is just like a tool that helps us communicate. But how we use it, it is totally depend upon us how we use it. So like have you ever been with someone and still felt lonely? It is same thing with technology. Even if you are with someone, just because you have tools, it doesn't mean you can connect to somebody. Let me give you a real life
Okay.
example of this. Like in the 90s, there were no phones, or they were not affordable. So people used to use phasers and make codes to contact each other, which was very difficult and inefficient, but it was challenging. So, like, let's take an example of India. Like in 2, 3 villages, there was just one phone. So if there is like a son who is studying abroad, the father has to go there, wait for days in the line just to call him. It was very difficult to do that, but it was challenging. Now cell phones are very common. Cell phones are common, so that desire has started to decrease and decrease. So it is not cell phone that is making us feel alone. It is our desire that is making us feel alone. We don't want to contact. Like it is due to technology that we are connected, even though we are at quarantine in our homes. It is due to technology that right now we can study and learn even though we are at our homes. It is due to technology that we are having this debate right now. Like if I did not want to have this debate and do some other useless work, you can that technology cannot help me. Okay, so like technology is just like a two-sided two sides of a coin. It has merits and demerits. Like if a
Okay.
person is far from his family, then it acts as a connecting link. But if you're on the rival side, even though you are stuck at home with the rest of your family, you are mugged up in your phone, which makes it more addiction and makes us feel more lonely. So I would like to say that technology is just like a weapon. It is dependent on
Mm-hmm.
us. We use it to kill other people or save other people. If a like taking benefits from a thing is dependent on us, rather than finding demerits in it. So like if we are using technology for playing games, watching videos, or chatting on social media, which is not good at all, it makes us more addicted and makes us feel more alone. But if we use the same technology for getting aware of our surroundings and getting us updated with the current affairs and
10
using
more
the
second, man. 10 more second, quick.
10 more seconds, okay. And we could also use it for the educational aspects of the technology and make us much more learning new things. So we can say that
Mm-hmm.
this is the selection in the of the fittest in nature. The weak species
Mm-hmm.
always get kicked out. So there is a same theory can be applied with technology. It is always up to us to choose the good side over the evil. Like in so many
Okay.
years, what will happen? Like technology will increase. We'll be in VR. It will be more
Okay.
convenient for us. So we will get more
Okay.
used to it. If we get more used to it, we will have the even lesser desire of talking to each other. So it is not
Okay, Pravar.
technology
That's it.
that is separating
That's
us.
it.
Yes.
Okay,
So
thank you so much, Pravar. Okay, now listen. Deepshi, Tanu, and Likit will discuss on rebootal. Start. Deepshi, Tanu, and Likit. Likit, come online, and I want your camera to on. To be